There's a whole bunch of VTubers getting banned off Twitter. I meant Twitch. For a very vague reason. And I don't know why this keeps happening. So this tweet is from Bunny VT or Bunny Alisu Art. At Twitch support, I don't understand how my channel could put anybody, me or somebody else at risk. I was drawing a VTuber model when I got suspended for a week. My stream is set as mature and I even have the tags 18+. This is a ban from Twitch. So here is the photo they attached. Hello, Bunny Alisu. Twitch is committed to keeping our community safe for everybody. And as a part of that, we require all users to ensure that anything shared on their account abides by Twitch's terms of service and community guidelines. Based on a review of your activity or content, we have issued a global suspension on your account. As a result, your access to Twitch services is temporarily restricted. Incurring multiple violations may result in a permanent suspicion. Unrelated, but fun fact, I've actually never been banned or suspended off Twitch before. But here's the reason. Youth risky. We have removed your content as it includes elements that could put you or somebody else at risk. This includes content that could encourage inappropriate attention towards people under 18. To keep our community safe, we publish our community guidelines, which include rules about content that endangers the safety of youth. We also encourage young people and their parents or guardians to read our tips for staying safe online in our guide for parents and guardians. We want you to have great experiences on Twitch while staying safe at the same time. Yeah, youth risky is such a vague and random way to get banned. Bunny VT says, I'm so distraught. Twitch support replied with, hey Bunny, the social team don't work directly on suspensions or suspension requests, but I can see that you're submitted an appeal and it was accepted recently. Sorry, what in the grammar is this? I'm just very confused as to what was being typed out. And we have Sarah stating what we all think. What the F is youth risky? Bunny VT replied, I don't even know. And Sarah says, mark your streams as mature, quotes, and no, not like that bans. Gray Bach theorized, my guess is that people reported it and Twitch doesn't actually verify. And you know what? I think that's true too. Because also they literally have 18+ tags on. So why did they get banned? But you get like very, very lewd NSFW VR chat people doing the shenanigans, but they're allowed. But then Bunny was just allegedly, I can't see their VOD because they're banned now, but Bunny allegedly was just drawing on stream and they got banned. I'm not saying the VR chat streamers should get banned either. That's a whole separate conversation, but I'm just saying, yo, it's not adding up here. And so some people had a theory that it was due to slightly more lolly content, potentially, or provocative content. So Expert Armchair says both Twitch and YouTube seem to be cracking down lately on lolly and shota content. So if the model you were drawing falls under that category, then it might be part of the reason for the ban. Twitch has also disclosed that they use a proactive automated detection system to flag potentially harmful content in conjunction with going off of user reports. So it's possible that somebody else flagged it and Twitch's system affirmed the strike because of the model in question might have had a certain head-body ratio or something similar. The last part is a guess, but Twitch has never bothered letting the community know what their automated system is trained on, so it's unfortunately the best we've got. Here is the page of their 2023 transparency report stating their updates. So they added several new metric and data presentations. One, the number of enforcements for content and behavior that was flagged by our proactive detection models, more granular categorizations to make it easier to assess trends in specific areas such as hateful content, self-destructive behavior, and suspension evasion, and the number of appeals accepted by category, total number of user reports in the 20 markets with the largest volume of reports to give a sense of the geographical distribution. And they stated, we detect potential violations of our community guidelines using a combination of machine detection and user reporting. Because the content is ephemeral, live streaming provides a more challenging environment for machine detection than other content types. Nevertheless, we have found ways to make machine detection viable and useful for live stream content, particularly for identifying potential high severity harms, including child exploitation or material and violent content. And we continue to invest in these technologies. All reports, whether made by a user or machine detection, are sent to our safety operations team for human review. And just for an example, I found some of Bunny's artwork. So here's an example of a finished commission Bunny did for Matt Supdog of a model. This model is super cute. I love the really pixel style their VTuber model has. This is the video as part of their raffle for a full body rigged pixel art model. The model is really cute, but this potentially could be due to the head to body ratio of this model specifically. Like, I don't think this model is doing any sus content whatsoever. It's a very clothed model, but it could just be because it borderlines slightly into like chibi territory with the head to body ratio, which could be the issue why it got flagged. Another example of a live 2D model they made, and thankfully they are now back. They have this screenshot. Hello, Bunny Alisu. A member of our team has reviewed your appeal and determined that your account was suspended or blocked due to a mistake on our part. Yay! We have now reversed the suspension on your account, so you are once again free to use Twitch. Please accept our apologies for any inconvenience or confusion this may have caused. So yeah, this was definitely a false report that Twitch has later corrected, but this kind of goes to show why were they falsely flagged in the first place, so that they and other creators can know to try to avoid said behavior for potentially getting falsely flagged. If the statement about the art is true, that's actually really unfortunate because I don't think their art is like sus at all. If Twitch's little machine flagging system looked at it and was like, yeah, that is inappropriate, ban, that sucks. And it kind of shows that Twitch's system needs a little bit of work. And other VTubers were also getting hit with this ban. Trinity VTuber stated, I was also suspended for the same reason, and even on my second Twitch account, which I haven't used in 3 weeks. So this was not a legit suspension. Hello, Trinity VTuber. Twitch is committed to keeping our community safe, yada yada, same rundown. Reason, youth risky. We have removed your content as it includes elements that could put you or somebody else at risk, and where it occurred in public or private chat messages. And this is a screenshot of their second account, hello Trinity _ multiverse, same screenshot, same reason, same location of where the violation occurred. So this makes no sense. And 10 hours ago, they finally got some justice. Their appeal was accepted. Hello, Trinity VTuber. A member of our team has revealed your appeal and determined it was suspended as a mistake on our part. And the same thing happened to Drewilla. Drewilla said, I got suspended for being quote unquote youth risky. I have no clue what this means, especially in public or chat messages. I don't even use messages. Please help me. This is my only source of income. Being disabled, I'm scared. This is the exact same screenshot. Hello, Drewilla. Kuma, Twitch is committed to keeping our community safe. Reason, youth risky. So where the violation occurred in public or private chat messages with a 7-day suspension. So at least they told them how long they were going to be suspended for, but still, it's so random. Thankfully, Twitch support replied and stated, hey Drew, the social team don't work directly on suspensions or suspension requests, but I can see that your appeal was accepted and your account is unsuspended. And Drewilla stated, yes, Twitch, my beloved, I am forever in your debt. So I'm really glad that all 3 of these creators getting unbanned. But the biggest thing that we still need to address is why did these people get banned in the first place? Like, why did these 3 VTubers who are just minding their own business streaming get randomly banned for a really arbitrary category of youth risky that was all a mistake that later had to be rectified by Twitch? That's what I'm confused about. I'm just saying, if you're a VTuber, just be careful. I don't know how you can protect yourself from this, to be honest, because it seemed like all these creators were taking all the necessary steps. Bunny had the 18+ flag on their stream. They were literally just doing art. These other creators, Trinity got their secondary account banned for the same reason, for no reason. Whether it's Twitch's machine learning just being wrong and falsely flagging accounts, or people spam reporting these VTubers and then Twitch is just striking them down because of like 1 or 2 reports and then double checking later, it's odd. Twitch needs to fix their stuff, and if you're a VTuber, just be careful, guys out there. Twitch already has a bone out for VTubers as it is, and this is once again very apparent. So what is youth safety, by the way? It is this. This is what Twitch wrote as youth safety under their community guidelines. Twitch prohibits any content or activity that endages youth. This includes content that features or promotes CSAM and exploitation, sexual misconduct, or grooming. But yeah, it kind of just seems like a weird catch-all. It makes sense that there is like a report option to report predators, but none of these VTubers were doing any of those things, which is why it's weird that they were getting bans for something that they weren't doing. So anyways, please check out these 3 creators out. Show them some love, some support, because if you're banned, and especially for Drewilla, if it's their only source of income, it really sucks. Like, Twitch likes to act like it's a hee XD, my bad, lols, but it actually can impact people's income a lot more than what Twitch likes to play it off as. I hope they can recover from this. Really sorry, and it sucks they got banned.